When it comes to enhancing the security, aesthetics, and energy efficiency of your home, choosing the right door installation service in Washington is crucial. With numerous contractors available, it can be challenging to determine which service provider is the best fit for your needs. This guide will help you make an informed decision by highlighting key factors to consider when selecting a professional door installation company. Check for licensing and certifications. The first step in choosing a reliable door installation service is verifying licensing and certifications. Washington State requires contractors to be licensed, bonded, and insured to legally perform installation work. You can check a contractor's credentials on the Washington State Department of Labor and Industry's website. Additionally, look for certifications from industry organizations such as the National Association of the Remodeling Industry, NARI, or the American Window and Door Institute, AWDI, which indicate a high level of expertise and commitment to quality workmanship. Read online reviews and ask for references. A reputable door installation company should have positive customer reviews and a solid reputation in the community. Check online review platforms such as Google Reviews, Better Business Bureau, BBB, Yelp, Home Advisor. Ask the company for references from past customers and, if possible, visit completed projects to assess their workmanship. Experience and specialization matter. Not all contractors specialize in door installation. Some may focus more on windows or general home improvement. Ensure that the company has extensive experience in door installation and is familiar with various door types, including entry doors, interior doors, French doors, sliding door, security door, storm door. An experienced contractor will be better equipped to handle unexpected challenges and ensure a seamless installation. Compare pricing and get multiple quotes. Price should not be the only determining factor, but it is important to compare quotes from multiple providers to ensure you're getting fair pricing. A professional door installation service should offer a detailed estimate that includes cost of the door and materials, labor charges, additional fees, such as disposal of old doors, warranty information. Be cautious of extremely low quotes, as they may indicate subpar materials or hidden costs that arise later. Assess the quality of materials. The longevity and durability of your new door depend largely on the quality of materials used. Ask the contractor about the materials they work with and consider doors made from fiberglass, durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Wood, classic, elegant, but requires maintenance. Steel, strong and secure, excellent for entry doors. Glass, ideal for French or patio doors, but should be energy efficient and impact resistant. And a reputable installer should offer multiple options and help you choose the best material based on your needs and climate conditions in Washington. Check for warranty and after-sales support. A trustworthy door installation company should provide warranty coverage for both the door and labor. Ask about manufacturer warranties for defects in the door itself. Workmanship warranties for installation-related issues. Additionally, ensure they offer after-sales support, such as repairs or adjustments, if needed. Consider energy efficiency. In Washington's varying climate, an energy-efficient door can help reduce utility costs and improve indoor comfort. Look for doors with Energy Star certification and weather stripping for better insulation. Double or triple pane glass if applicable. Proper sealing to prevent air leak. A knowledgeable contractor should guide you on the best energy-efficient options to keep your home comfortable year-round. Evaluate customer service and communication. From the initial consultation to project completion, a professional door installation company should be responsive and transparent. Consider how quickly they respond to inquiries, whether they provide clear timelines, their willingness to answer your questions and provide guidance. Good communication is key to a smooth and stress-free installation process. Look for local expertise. Hiring a local door installation company in Washington has advantages, including familiarity with local building codes and regulations, understanding weather conditions and recommending suitable materials, easier access to customer support if issues arise. Local businesses often have strong community ties and a vested interest in maintaining their reputation. Final thoughts. Choosing the best door installation service in Washington requires careful research and consideration. Prioritize licensed professionals with positive reviews, experience, and a commitment to quality. By comparing multiple providers, evaluating materials, and checking for warranties, you can ensure a smooth installation process that enhances your home's security, efficiency, and curb appeal. If you're ready to upgrade your doors, start by requesting free quotes from reputable door installation companies in Washington today.